Question 22. In these number grids, two numbers are added to give the number below. Now some people get very confused with this because they look at the diagram and think it's very complicated, I don't know what I'm doing. But just read it carefully and look at the numbers. Everything you need is in this diagram. It tells you two numbers are added to give the number below. So when you have the two squares next to each other, the block that's below those is when you've added them together. It's very simple. You sometimes see them the other way around, called number pyramids. So what we're trying to do is to figure out what these missing squares are. Well, we know what these two numbers are, so if we add 35 and 17 together, we'll find out what the answer is for the square below, 35 and 17. 5 add 7 is 12, 3 add 1 is 5, so the final block on this one is 52. It's nice and easy, we're just adding two numbers to give the number underneath it. Problem comes is when we don't know what the number above it is. 22 add something is 35. So what we need to realise is that we can work backwards through this problem. If we take the answer 35 and take away one of the blocks above it, in this case 22, we can see what's missing. 5 take away 2 is 3, 3 take away 2 is 1, which is 13. So our middle block here is 13. And in the same way, 13 add something is 14. Again, you could do a subtraction, but that one's quite easy, and it's just the number 4. Don't guess, work out using the information you've got. Now for the second one, this is a little trickier. We have 7 add something equals, oh, we have no answer there, and then that same number add 3. No, we haven't got anything that we need. So this is a little bit of a problem. Now at the moment we could see that if we did 7 add 3 is 10, which means we're missing 2. And that 2's got to come from somewhere. If we tried 2 there, 7 add 3 add 2 is 12, what we would find is 7 add 2 is 9, 2 add 3 is 5, and that equals 14. So through a little bit of trial and error, we can deduce that this one should be 1. Because 7 add 1 is 8, 1 add 3 is 4, 4 add 8 is 12. Another way to do this would be to think, right, we can't have, what numbers add together to give us 12? Well, 7 and 5, but we can't have 7 because that would make that 0. And again, this one has to be done through a little bit of trial and error.